Hey royalties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am standing at the door. Wayne went downstairs to empty the garbage and Skylar is not here making any noise, so I decided to give you guys a quick little semi-furnished apartment tour. Let's just jump right into the video. Oh guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. From my door, this is the overview of the entire apartment. So I'm at the door. So from where I'm at, that's the next wall. You can see my bedroom through there. So that's the main bedroom, which is our bedroom. That's the bathroom. That's the kitchen, and where you see Skylar's jumper, that is the beginning of the second bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. When you walk in, this is the living room. So this is the small space we're working from. For the living room, I'm just gonna give you a 180. So door, living room. So where you see that green bush and the door, that's dubbed the living room. So as you can see, where that chair is, that's basically in line with where I'm standing. So that is the entire width of the living room. So guys, furniture, we don't have much furniture. All we moved with was our bed. So go and watch our last video with our move from Missouri. But yes, our stuff are in boxes, and that's pretty much most of our living room's decor stuff. As you can see, that's my TV, and that's, you know, decor and painting. So guys, this is the living room. Okay, so after the living room, on the left is the kitchen. So that's Skylar's high chair, that's the fridge, and this is pretty much the kitchen, right? So we only have 2 sets of cupboard, because the middle one, that's where the vent goes up. So all of the plugins for the vent is up there. We store like 2 pots or 3 pots up there, but there's not much storage in that one. So this is basically our storage, and we get storage downstairs, which is not enough, especially when you have a child. And guys, I don't even have room for a dish drainer, so I'm gonna have to, you know, see what I can do. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I am using this window ledge to, you know, hold some stuff for now. But yep, so this is the kitchen. Right, so from the kitchen, as you can see, I can even show you another angle of the living room. So as I said, that is my front door, and this is the supposed living room. So that's basically the space. All right, so from the kitchen to the right is a linen closet with a bunch of stuff in there now. And then from that, you have the guest room, or Skylar's room, or bedroom, and the bathroom. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom first. So as I said, this is a 1-bathroom. The bathroom is really nice, I must say. It's really nice. So I already started putting up a few of my things. So this is the bathroom, and there you have me. Hi guys. So yeah, this is pretty much the bathroom. It have a storage at the bottom, you know, the toilet, and then this is our bathroom. The good thing is we got somewhere to put our shampoos, our body wash, and we have a little window, which is nice because I didn't have a window in Missouri. Coming from the bathroom, to the right of that is our bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So this is a complete 360 of our room. And as you walk in, the flooring is nice throughout the apartment, so I'll talk about that later. This is our bedroom, as we only have a dresser and our bed in here right now. We have 2 windows, good lighting and everything, but as I said, this is our small apartment. So dresser, we don't have much closet space. It's mostly Wayne's clothes in the closet because he'll be starting work soon. And this is our bedroom. Sky is currently still sleeping in our room. Yet still sleep in our room because I'm not ready for her to transition. Plus, she's not ready to transition. So this is what we have in our room so far. You're gonna see a lot of suitcases and boxes because we're still living out of boxes and suitcases for now. But yep, this is our bedroom. Okay. Okay, coming out of our bedroom, then we have Skylar's room, or what is supposed to be Skylar's room, or the guest room, or everything. Right now it is storage. Okay, we have boxes on top of boxes, suitcases with our clothes. We have stuff that we need to get rid of for Skylar because Skylar did not use the bassinet whatsoever. We have our swing. We have my rocking chair, my glider, because I love that thing. And then this is the room. It also has a window. It's pretty narrow, but I guess by New York standard, this is a great size. So it does come with a closet, which currently has Sky's stuff in there. So guys, that's pretty much it coming out of the room. I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of the place. That's our front door. So this is basically the entire apartment. So to give you guys some backstory for those who are new to the channel. So I migrated from Jamaica to the US. I initially started in Missouri. So go and watch those apartment tour video and my apartment tour. So we started in Missouri. Guys, initially I hated it in Missouri, but let me tell you, over the last 6 to 8 months, I fell in love with Missouri. I loved it. I loved commuting there. Everything was so close to me and everything. And to my unfortunateness, if that is even a word, thankful. I'm still thankful because he matched into a program here. After doing his USMLEs, he matched into a program in New York. I did not want to come to New York. Listen, I'm not a city girl. I'm a nice country urban girl who like her space. So when we found out that we're coming to New York, of course we're happy because we matched, but I was shocked. In Missouri, I had a nice little townhouse, okay, with adequate parking, adequate space. I didn't have to figure out where I'm gonna put this, where I'm gonna put that. Didn't have to figure out where counter space is. I had more than enough space, okay. I loved where I lived, okay. Everything was copper set, as we would say in Jamaica. So to my dilemma, New York was not like that, okay. And when we were apartment hunting here for Brooklyn, we kept on seeing a lot of small spaces, very small spaces, and the rent is from 2001 and up if you want a 2-bedroom, which makes sense because you need the extra space, which is basically 2 times what I was paying in Missouri. So imagine I was getting a townhouse with a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom for a fraction of the price that I'm paying for the same thing here. So say good girl, not really cope well, but I have to make do. Also, while we were looking, we were in Missouri when we were looking apartments, so that is another big issue, okay. So because we were in Missouri, we could not see any of the apartments in person. So we had to be doing video tours or picture tours, or once we had one of Wayne's Aunt Sandra, bring up yourself if you're watching this video, she had to tour one of the apartments for us, but they didn't like it because it was super small. Anyways, fast forward, we weren't getting anywhere with the apartments. And guys, it was an uphill, downhill type of fight because the apartments were so expensive. They weren't having what we need, because one of my big things was I needed a washer and dryer in unit, which by the way guys, as you can see, there is no washer and dryer in unit, nor a dishwasher. So I don't know what good girl is gonna do. We're gonna have to go to the freaking laundromat, okay. Well, Wayne is, I am going. Well, if he goes. Anyways, so as I was saying, it was an uphill, downhill battle, and because we couldn't get to see the apartments in person, that made it super hard for us. Anyways, time passing by now, we submitted for some of the houses that we found on Street Easy and Zillow. Submitted our documents. That was another issue. We were not qualified for apartments. Apparently, I don't know what the issue was, but we weren't qualifying for the apartments. Anyways, fast forward, we saw this apartment advertised, and we were like, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. We paid a lot of money, a lot of money to get this little piece of place. Okay, I was so happy initially, but this is a huge compromise. Okay, huge compromise. So we needed it to be in New York, so we had to jump on this. So when we came here, guys, big culture shock. Everything was so clustered, so in your face, as you can see per my last video. Remember, we have not seen this apartment in its entirety because the person who did the video and did not do a good job. I don't think she did a good job, right? Showing us the apartment. Also, I was a little iffy because I really wasn't seeing a video in the video that she sent us. I'm going to try and include that video if I still have it. But we never have a choice. So we took this apartment. Came here without seeing this apartment in person. Guys, the apartment is nice. Don't get me wrong. Don't be thinking that my standards are too high. I'm just thinking about space and how much I'm paying for this little bit of space. The apartment is nice. And as usual, there's some dog barking in my video. As I can say, it is nice because the apartment is recently renovated, so everything is up to date. The appliances are not new, but you know, they're new enough. So nice little newly renovated place. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not what I wanted. If I'm gonna stay here for the entire 3 years of residency, I don't know, because right now everything over here is a struggle. To the persons who live in New York, big up on yourself. I, Tamara Palmer, is not a city girl, is not a Brooklyn girl. I need to go find myself back in Missouri. But this is where hubby is, and I have to stay here. Anyways, if you have any ideas for me on how to store stuff, what I can do to make the space nicer, because as I was saying, there's no, that's just what it is. I might just have to put a small love seat right there and the TV there and just make do until I guess we can find better, or we just stuff it out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, but here's Sky and hubby. Hello, Sky. Tell the people hi. Tell the people hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Bye, guys.